All right, we are already in our April 6 through 10 folder, and we're going to talk about questions to Broom Dog. So right now I'm going to teach you how to set up your desktop so it functions well for you. So you're going to right click, open link in new tab, and then same with questions for Broom Dog. You're going to open link into new tab, okay? So now we have, you can see right here, I have my two, if I can pull them down here. Right here, you see I have my two tabs, okay? I'm going to press down on it and actually physically pull it out, okay? And then I'm going to pull the other one out. All right, so now I have these two windows and I'm just going to adjust them so I can see them both at the same time. And this is going to help me work more effectively. Okay, so basically I have them side by side to help me function better. All right, so now I'm going to read my first question out loud. The structure and style of the introduction is like a poem. The writer uses repetition, so repetitions are words that repeat, and non-traditional sentence structure, such as well as many metaphors. If we remember, a metaphor is a comparison where we don't use like or as. So she was so beautiful the sun radiated off her skin. That's a metaphor. Choose three things in which the author compares a school bus. Okay, so I've read the article and I know it's about a school bus, but I forgot where. So this tool right here on your PDF, if you type in school bus, it's actually going to go right for it. And there you go. It found it for me. I was able to find, look, another school bus, okay? So I know that probably I can find my answer in this paragraph, all right? So remember, when we respond to questions, we want to reuse words from our prompt. So guess what? Right there, three things the author compares the school bus to. And I'm actually going to take that and just insert it in here. Three things the author compares the school bus to are, and then you're going to tell me the three things the author compares it to, okay? Question 2, we have a quote here. And hearing it was like the world's longest whistle blow, shrill, shredding his eardrum, his skin was crawling, felt like it was changing color from brown to yellow. School bus! What do these lines reveal about Canton in this moment? How do the whistle and the color yellow connect to what happened? Okay, if you guys remember, when we have a topic with two questions, we're going to use wrap, okay? So R stands for rewrite the question, right? We're going to rewrite it or reuse it in our own words. Okay, so I'm saying these lines reveal about, and look, I reused that part right here. Now the A is answer it. These lines reveal that, and you're going to insert what they reveal, okay? Now we're going to go on to the second question. We're going to start with our R. We're going to reuse words from the prompt. How do the whistle and the color yellow connect? The whistle connects. And then you're going to tell me how it connects, okay? And then when we want to, the last part of RAP is our prove, okay? So we're going to prove it, all right? So now I'm going to search in here for the word whistle. Oh, wow, amazing. It found it, okay? So guess what? If I want to find a quote from here, I'm going to have to retype it in here, okay? I'm going to say he grew up Okay? And then you want to make sure that you explain what this quote, how it relates to it. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and skip 3 because it's quite similar to number 2. And number 4, this is where we can write a cree. It's asking us to tell what type of character Mr. Munch is. Okay, remember our cree states our claim, which is reusing words from our prompt, is the reason. Why do we think Mr. Munch is that type of person? Our explanation, or sorry, this is our evidence. This is where we're going to use a quote from our story. And remember, if we want to find information about Mr. Munch, we're just going to type in his name. I probably need to separate it. And guess what? There's some information about Mr. Munch, okay? And then our last E is explain. All right. And guess what? Number 5, it has 3 questions. Whoa. But you're going to do the same thing that I showed you in question number 2. You're going to do the RA, RA, RA 3 different times, and then you're going to prove it. Okay? So you're going to do R. You're going to reuse words from that first question, then answer it. Reuse words from the second question, answer it. Then again. Oh, actually, I was wrong. There's only 2 questions, right? So we only have to do that twice. Reuse words and answer it for the first one. Reuse words and answer it for the second one. And then make sure we prove it with a quote, okay? And that's how you're going to complete this assignment. Have a great day.